If you've been stretching your hamstrings, you might be making your sciatica worse. Here are 2 exercises to help relieve that sciatica pain without making things worse. Exercise number 1 is a nerve glide exercise. Exercise number 2 is a figure 4 glute modified exercise. For the first exercise, you're gonna start seated in a chair. What we're gonna do is we're gonna work on relieving tension of that sciatic nerve by gliding and sliding the nerve, not stretching the hamstring. So start seated in a seat. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna slowly raise one leg up. From here, you're gonna just relax your foot and bring your head back. Then you're gonna point your toe towards your head, bring your head down, and then slowly repeat. We're gliding and sliding that nerve to help relieve tension. In the second exercise, we're gonna do a modified glute figure 4 stretch. But instead of really stretching that glute area, we wanna go a little less just so we can work on that nerve mobilization again. So you're gonna start on the ground. From here, cross one leg over, and then you're gonna slowly bring up the other leg. This is gonna start feeling that tension and that stretch into your glute. Don't pull up too much where that's super painful, but from here, you're gonna take your hands out to the side. You're gonna slowly just rock yourself side to side, and then you'll feel the changes of that tension. And we're just helping to mobilize that nerve. So the reason why we want to work on that nerve tension and mobilizing that sciatic nerve instead of putting too much tension on it like a hamstring stretch is because a nerve is not like a muscle. And when you stretch your hamstrings, you can increase that nerve tension, and that can make your sciatic pain worse. So by modifying certain exercises, working on gliding and sliding that sciatic nerve, that can help release the tension and make your sciatic pain better. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos and like and subscribe.